So I went out for another nature walk today and I felt so good after I got out of there. Like all throughout there I was having fun. I'm just enjoying myself the whole entire time. I love walking through the park. Like it's just relaxing. It's something about the trees. I love being inside nature. Dragonfly. So this is another little dragonfly that I ran across. I'm always running across a ton of them. Like they're everywhere and I seem to always just get like bombarded by them every single time I go into this place. So right now I'm actually closer to the highway. That's why you can hear all the traffic. Now at the end of this little trail is like an open clearing, nothing but a bunch of trees, and you get to see the golf course and everything else. So let's get up there. See, that's the highway over there. Oh wow, it's more enclosed. So today I ran across, let me see, some bumblebees that wanted to, fly right in front of me or alongside of me. So awesome. Then we got a chipmunk that wanted to cross my path and then run into the ferns. And then we have a robin that was staring dead at me like, come on, let's go. Everything. And dragonflies just, everywhere I turn, just surrounding me. And then another beautiful ass blue butterfly that was at my way out the park. That's when I seen the blue butterfly. I was like, you know what? Everything just supposed to come out today. It was awesome. I got to interact with nature and nature decided to interact with me. This is just so beautiful. I just love coming down here because you get to see everything. I love these little plants. They're so cute. I'm not going down that way. I did that last time when I came back up. So no snakes are out today, but there's bumblebees that are basically like going in front of me like, come on, let's go this way. I'm like, okay, cool, follow you.